أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم السلام عليكم ورحمة الله وبركاته. Today we are going to start our lesson number 10. In our previous lesson we discussed about a noun. Like, what is noun? Noun is the very first part of speech. So we studied that any word which is used for identification of a person, place, thing or idea is called noun. We talked about that. Noun is a naming word derived from nomen, which means label. So it is for identification. So now we are going to discuss about the types of noun. How many types of a noun? For example, types of noun. A lot of books mentioned various types of noun. For example, there are some famous books of English grammar and literature or English grammar and composition. For example, if we study international books like Long's English Grammar, if we study about practical English uses of Michael Swan, if we study about a book published from Cambridge University with the name that the word people use. So they mentioned a lot of types of noun. Even the book I'm talking about of Cambridge University, so they mentioned about 27 types of noun. 27 types of noun. The word people use. It is the name of the book. So same like Longman and Michael Swan, they mentioned about 7 to 9 types of noun. But in our side, in India and Pakistan, so the book which is very famous is High School English Grammar and Composition, written by Wren and Martin. So they mentioned, I think they mentioned 7 types of noun. So these types are divided or discussed in general. We in English language class, we need only 4 aspects of the types. The first one we need is common noun. We need means that we need in our English language class. So we will do the portion of the grammar which is needed to us. If it is not needed to us, we won't discuss. Okay? Common noun. Proper noun. And countable and uncountable. We will discuss 2 aspects of the types. One aspect is common proper, and the second aspect is countable and uncountable noun. Common noun is a name which is commonly used for any sort of group, or we can call any entity of a group. We can call the particular name to any entity of a group. For example, if I say, if we have a group of young male members, we have group of young male members, so we can call each and every entity or each and every person, we can call him boy, right? Any entity of the young male members group can be called a boy, right? Same like if we have a group of young female members, so we can call each and every entity of that group a girl, right? So same like if we have some persons in a class of any discipline, so we can call each and every entity of that group is a student, right? Same like if we have something for sitting, for example, we have group of a thing. Here we have group of an entity which is used to sit on, for example, this chair, right? So each and every entity can be called a chair, right? So this is called common noun. Common noun is, the definition is that a noun which can be okay, let me write it for you people to make it easy. Name which can be given generally to any entity of a group. If you are going to confused by given, so you may remove it and say called, C-A-L-L-E-D, right? Can be called generally to any entity of a group, for example, as I told you before. So, unlikely, the second one type of a noun is proper noun, right? Proper noun. Proper noun means name which is specifically given to an entity. For example, I am a person, I am a man, but a specific name is also given to me, which is Muhammad Ali. Right? Same like a specific name of any country, for example, Pakistan. Right? So, same like any specifically given name is called proper noun, not universal. It does not mean that there is only one Muhammad Ali in the world. There may be a lot of Muhammad Alis, but specifically given. Each and every person is not Muhammad Ali. Muhammad Ali cannot be called generally to any group, to any member or any entity of the male groups, or member of any male group, right? So Muhammad Ali is specifically given to an entity. So same like proper noun. Inshallah, in next lecture we will discuss countable and uncountable names with examples. Take care. Allah Hafiz.